Choosing the right window style for your Layton home is essential for enhancing curb appeal, improving energy efficiency, and maximizing functionality. With the variety of options available, selecting the best windows depends on your home's architectural style, personal preferences, and practical needs. Whether you want to bring in more natural light, improve ventilation, or add a stylish touch to your home, here are the best window styles for Layton homeowners. Double-hung windows. Classic and versatile double-hung windows are among the most popular choices for homes in Layton because they offer timeless appeal and practicality. Features include 2 operable sashes, allowing you to open both the top and bottom parts for better ventilation. Easy cleaning, as many models allow you to tilt the sashes inward. Great for various home styles, including traditional and colonial homes. These windows provide a balanced mix of aesthetics, airflow, and efficiency, making them an excellent all-around choice. Casement windows. Maximum ventilation and modern appeal. For homeowners looking for unobstructed views and excellent ventilation, casement windows are a great option. Benefits include hinged on one side, allowing the window to swing outward. Tight sealing when closed, improving energy efficiency. Perfect for modern and contemporary homes due to their sleek design. Casement windows work well in rooms that require maximum airflow, such as kitchens and bathrooms. Sliding windows. Space-saving and contemporary. If you have limited space or want a modern and functional window style, sliding windows are a great choice. Advantages include smooth horizontal operation, making them ideal for tight spaces. Wide glass area, allowing for expansive outdoor views. Minimal maintenance, with fewer moving parts than other window styles. Sliding windows are especially beneficial in homes with modern architecture or rooms where space is a concern. Bay and bow windows. Expanding space and elegance. For homeowners looking to add character and extra space, bay and bow windows are excellent options. These window styles extend outward, creating additional indoor space for seating or decoration. Allow more natural light to enter the home from multiple angles. Enhance curb appeal, adding a touch of elegance to your home. Bay windows typically feature 3 panels, while bow windows have 4 or more curved sections, providing a graceful appearance and increased light exposure. Picture windows. Stunning views and energy efficiency. If you want to maximize natural light while enjoying uninterrupted views, picture windows are a fantastic choice. These windows do not open, making them highly energy efficient with airtight seals. Provide panoramic outdoor views, perfect for homes with scenic landscapes. Pair well with other window styles, such as casement or sliding windows, for added ventilation. Picture windows are ideal for living rooms and areas with beautiful outdoor scenery. Awning windows. Weather-resistant and functional. For homes in Layton that experience rain and wind, awning windows provide excellent protection while allowing ventilation. Features include hinged at the top, so they open outward, forming a protective awning. Great for rainy climates, allowing airflow without letting in water. often placed higher on walls, making them ideal for privacy. Awning windows work well in bathrooms, basements, and kitchens, where ventilation is essential. Garden windows. Bringing the outdoors in. If you love natural light and greenery, garden windows are an excellent addition. These windows extend outward, creating a small shelf-like space for plants, herbs, or decor. Feature side panels that open, allowing airflow. Enhance kitchens and dining areas, bringing in more sunlight. Garden windows add a unique design element to your home while being practical for indoor gardening enthusiasts. Specialty-shaped windows. Customization for unique homes. For homeowners looking to add a custom touch, specialty-shaped windows offer personalization and elegance. These windows can be round, arched, hexagonal, or other unique shapes. Fixed or operable, depending on your preference. Great for accenting architectural features. Specialty windows are perfect for adding visual interest and enhancing the character of your home. Final thoughts. Choosing the best window style for your Layton home. When selecting the best windows for your Layton home, consider energy efficiency, ventilation needs, aesthetics, and functionality. Professional window installation ensures a perfect fit, proper sealing, and maximum performance. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consult with a trusted window installation expert in Layton to explore the best options for your home. With the right window style, you can enhance your home's comfort, beauty, and efficiency for years to come.